Good afternoon all of you. Today I am going to deliver lecture on sulfur ylide. These are the another types of ylide. In the sulfur ylide we will see their definition, their preparation and their types one by one. Firstly, I am going to explain definition of sulfur ylide. Okay. Now listen. When positively charged sulfur is singly bonded with negatively charged carbon atom having a leaving group called as sulfur ylide. The simple statement of sulfur ylide is the positively charged sulfur singly bonded with negatively charged carbon having a leaving group called as sulfur ylide. So this is the general representation of sulfur ylide. Here the positively charged sulfur is singly bonded with negatively charged carbon. Okay, then it is referred as a sulfur ylide. This is the definition of sulfur ylide. Now the next content of the sulfur ylide is types of sulfur ylide. Okay, so the types of sulfur ylide are depends upon the reactant will be used for the preparation of sulfur ylide. Suppose sulfide are used for the preparation of sulfur ylide, then the sulfur ylide will be formed called as sulfonium ylide. And if sulfoxide are used in the preparation of sulfur ylide, then the sulfur ylide will be formed called as sulfoxonium ylide. So on the basis of reactant that are used in the preparation of sulfur ylide, the sulfur ylide are of two types. First one is sulfonium ylide and second one is sulfoxonium ylide. These are the two types of sulfur ylide on the basis of reactant used in the preparation of sulfur ylide. First one is sulfonium ylide, second one is sulfoxonium ylide. We will see both types of sulfur ylide one by one. First is we will see sulfonium ylide. So how to define sulfonium ylide? When dimethyl sulfide is reacted with any alkyl halide to form sulfonium ylide. This is the simple definition of sulfonium ylide. When dimethyl sulfide is treated with any alkyl halide to form sulfonium ylide. Now see the preparation of sulfonium ylide. The preparation of sulfonium ylide consists two steps. In the first step, salt are formed, and in the second step, final product sulfonium ylide are formed. We will see both. Now first step is formation of salt. In the preparation of sulfonium ylide, firstly salt will be formed by the reaction of dimethyl sulfide with alkyl halide. So here I am write the structure of dimethyl sulfide. This is the structure of dimethyl sulfide. It reacted with any alkyl halide, and here taken methyl iodide. Okay, so what will happen here? We know that sulfur have a lone pair. It acts as a nucleophile and it attacks on a carbon of methyl iodide. Simultaneously, iodide will be removed and we will get this type of intermediate. Due to the formation of bond between sulfur and carbon, sulfur lost their lone pair, so it become a electron deficient species and bear a positive charge, and also iodine present here. Okay, so this is our first step intermediate called as 1, 2, 3 trimethyl sulfonium iodide. Trimethyl sulfonium iodide. Okay, so in the first step of preparation of sulfonium ylide, dimethyl sulfide is treated with methyl iodide to form a salt namely called as trimethyl sulfonium iodide. This reaction undergoes SN2 type. We know that in SN2 type, one nucleophile attack on attacking side, simultaneously one leaving group detached from the attacking side. So here first sulfur, lone pair of sulfur attack on a carbon atom, simultaneously iodine will be removed and we will get trimethyl sulfonium iodide as an intermediate. Okay, this is the first step of preparation of sulfonium iodide. Now the second step of the preparation of sulfonium ylide is formation of final product. And the final product is sulfonium ylide. Now let us see here. This is the intermediate. In the second step of preparation of phosphonium ylide, these intermediate interact with strong base. So generally here I am taken NaH, sodium hydride. Sodium hydride is a strong base. When sodium hydride undergoes ionization, then hydrogen bear negative charge and sodium bear positive charge. So this negative charge hydrogen attract one proton from here, and we will get our final product sulfonium ylide. This is the structure of sulfonium ylide. It is also called as dimethyl sulfonium methylene. Dimethyl sulfonium methylene. And this is the final product, our desired product, sulfonium ylide. And also the byproduct will be from here sodium iodide, and this one H and this one H2. So this is the preparation and definition of sulfonium ylide. I hope you will be understand. Now the second types of sulfur ylide is the sulfoxonium ylide. Sulfoxonium ylide. So how to define it? Now listen, I am defining the sulfoxonium ylide. When dimethyl sulfur oxide is treated with any alkyl halide to form sulfoxonium ylide. This is the definition of simple definition of sulfoxonium ylide. The ylide in which sulfoxonium is treated with any alkyl halide gives sulfoxonium ylide. Now the preparation of sulfoxonium ylide consists two steps. First step is formation of salt, and second step is formation of our desired product sulfoxonium ylide. Let us see here. In the first step of preparation of sulfoxonium ylide, salt will be formed. How to form salt? When dimethyl sulfur oxide okay, this is the structure of dimethyl sulfur oxide. Is treated with any alkyl halide. Suppose here I am taken methyl iodide. Okay. To form corresponding salt of methyl iodide and dimethyl sulfur oxide, what will be happening here? We know that sulfur have a lone pair, it adds as a nucleophile and it attack on a carbon of methyl iodide. Simultaneously iodine will be removed. This reaction undergoes like SN2 type, and to form this type of intermediate S double bond O, it have two methyl group singly bonded with CH3 further react with strong base. Generally here I am taken sodium hydride. Okay. We know that sodium hydride extracts one proton from here, and we will get our final product SOMe positive CH2 negative. This is our final product, sulfoxonium ylide. Sulfoxonium ylide, and it is also called as dimethyl sulfoxonium methyl lead. Here also byproduct will be obtained sodium hydride, sodium iodide, and H2O. Sorry, H2, only H2. So this is the preparation of sulfoxonium ylide. This preparation undergoes into two steps. In the first step, salt will be formed, and in the second step, our final product sulfoxonium ylide will be formed. What will be happen in first step? Dimethyl sulfur oxide is treated with NaCl ylide to form a salt. This salt undergoes deprotonation because of here one proton will be removed with strong base to form our desired product sulfoxonium ylide. So this is the another types of sulfur ylide. Okay, I hope you will be understand their definition and their preparation with mechanism. The first types of sulfur ylide means sulfonium ylide are also categorized into two types. First one is stabilized sulfonium ylide and second one is unstabilized sulfonium ylide. Let's see here. Sulfonium ylide also categorized into two types. First one is stabilized sulfonium ylide and second one is unstabilized sulfonium ylide. We will see both the types of sulfonium ylide one by one. Firstly, we will see stabilized sulfonium ylide. Stabilized sulfonium ylide. Let us see here. I am right. Here the structure of sulfonium ylide. Okay, this is the structure of sulfonium ylide. We know that here this carbon atom is a carbon anion, or it also acts as a nucleophile because of it have a negative charge. It is also electron rich species. Suppose this carbon atom is attached with electron withdrawing group. Okay. Due to the electronic withdrawing group, the negative charge of this carbon atom of sulfonium ylide is stabilized. So these types of sulfonium ylide are called as stabilized sulfonium ylide. How to define it? When nucleophilic carbon atom of sulfonium ylide, when nucleophilic carbon atom of sulfonium ylide is attached with the electron withdrawing group with a resonance and inductive effect, then these types of sulfonium ylide are called as stabilized sulfonium ylide. When the nucleophilic carbon atom of sulfonium ylide is attached with the electron withdrawing group by resonance and inductive effect, then the first sulfonium ylide is called as stabilized sulfonium ylide. So this is the definition and explanation of stabilized sulfonium ylide. Now I am going to explain how to prepare stabilized sulfonium ylide. We know that sulfonium ylide are prepared into two steps. The first step is formation of salt, second step is formation of final product. So what will happen in first step? The dimethyl sulfide is treated with any ylide to form a salt, and in the second step the formed salt undergoes depolarization with strong base to form a final product, sulfonium ylide. Let us see here, I am right here the structure of dimethyl sulfide. This is the structure of dimethyl sulfide. Okay. So in the first step, this dimethyl sulfide is treated with any alkyl halide. So suppose I have taken these types of alkyl halide. So what will happen in the first step? The lone pair of sulfur act as a nucleophile and it attack on a carbon atom of alkyl halide. Simultaneously, iodine will be removed, and we will get our product salt like that. So this is the salt of alkyl halide and dimethyl sulfide. Okay. Now in the second stage, the newly formed salt undergoes depolarization with the help of a strong base and to form our final product, sulfonium ylide. Let us see here. I am taken here sodium hydride as a strong base. We know that this strong base attract one proton from this carbon atom, and we will get our final product, sulfonium ylide. Also here form NaI sodium iodide, and this hydrogen and here one hydrogen will be removed, H2, and this is our final product, sulfonium ylide. this ylide is called as stabilized sulfonium ylide because of here one electronic withdrawing group is attached to the nucleophilic carbon of sulfonium ylide. Hence, this sulfonium ylide is called as stabilized sulfonium ylide. So this is all about the preparation and definition with explanation of stabilized sulfonium ylide. Here we can also use different type of electronic withdrawing group in the preparation of stabilized sulfonium ylide. Now the second type of sulfonium ylide is unstabilized phosphorus ylide. This is the second type of sulfonium ylide. Let us see here and explain. This is the general representation of sulfonium ylide. Okay, when we observe this structure here, carbon have a negative charge, means it acts as a nucleophile. It is also electron rich species. Suppose here this negative charge carbon is attached with electron donating group. With the resonance and inductive effect, then this type of sulfonium ylide is called as unstabilized sulfonium ylide. So how to define it? When negatively charged carbon or nucleophilic carbon atom of sulfonium ylide is attached with the electron donating group by resonance and inductive effect, then it is called as unstabilized sulfonium ylide. When nucleophilic carbon atom of sulfonium ylide is attached with the electron donating group by resonance and inductive effect, then it is called as unstabilized sulfonium ylide. So this is the definition and explanation of unstabilized sulfonium ylide. Now the next and last point is how to prepare unstabilized sulfonium ylide. Let us see here. This is our dimethyl sulfide. Okay. Interact with these types of alkyl halide. This is a propyl iodide and propyl iodide. Okay. So what will be happening here? The lone pair of sulfur act as a nucleophile and it attack on this carbon atom of alkyl halide. Simultaneously iodine will be removed and we will get these types of intermediate due to the loss of lone pair, the sulfur bear positive charge. Okay, so this is the salt of methyl alkyl halide or dimethyl sulfide. Okay, now this newly formed salt undergoes dehydrogenation with a strong base. Generally, here I am taken sodium hydride as a strong base. And this strong base extract one proton from that carbon atom and we will get our final product. So this is our final product, sulfonium ylide. Why this ylide is called as unstabilized ylide? Because of we know that the carbon of the sulfonium ylide is attached with the electron donating group. Here C2H5 is an electron donating group. Hence it is called as unstabilized sulfonium ylide. So this is all about preparation of stabilized sulfonium ylide. I hope you will be understand better. If you have any problem regarding to this topic, you can ask me personally on WhatsApp.